Guys, it's official. It's been 1 year that I've been on YouTube. So I'm going to show you guys how much I made my first year being on YouTube. I'm going to explain to you monetization, show you how much I made with affiliate marketing, digital product, all of that, Google AdSense and everything. So I'm excited to show you guys. I can't believe I'm here. I never thought I would be that girl that's like, oh yeah, I make YouTube videos. I don't even want to call myself a YouTuber, but I make YouTube videos, I guess, now. And I'm gonna show you guys everything. And I mean, I guess it's kind of obvious, but if you have been thinking about starting a YouTube channel, I highly recommend. If you're looking to make some extra income and you have some information to share, yes, you need to be doing this. Like, I highly recommend. People in my circle are starting YouTube channels just because they've been able to see me start from the ground up, and we are climbing our way up. So you might as well hop in the car, girl, because we going. We are going to the top. I'm gonna share with you guys how much I made, I'm not gonna lie, holding this camera, it hurts my hands. So we're gonna connect to the computer so I can show you guys. Okay guys, so how much YouTube paid me for my first year being monetized is gonna be broken out into Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, one-on-ones, and my digital product, my ebook. And so I'm gonna show you all of those components because all of those allow me to get to the full number of what I made. And so just to let you know really quick, my goal for the year, I had actually wrote it down, was to make 10,000. I actually exceeded that amount. And if you haven't seen my video, I'm going to put in the cards here on how you can reach your goals by a certain date. And so I put the date I wanted to reach, which was December 31st of 2022, which I did reach that goal. So I'm going to start with my digital products. So for my digital product, I made over $3,300. And so it breaks down for you. So 3,382. I had 96 orders. It shows you my page view, my conversions, and all kind of things like that. And so this is, as you see, from January 1st to December 31st of 2022. So this is my ebook. I actually had made the ebook in January. When I realized like my first video had over 13,000 views, I was like, oh, like people are looking for funding for their business. And so I was like, well, how can I fill a need and what do I know? And so that's when I was like, okay, well, let me make an ebook. I had a party store. I was able to open up a party store using business credit. And so I was like, well, why not share that information, right? So I put all of that together. That took me, I want to say about 3 weeks to make. And I was just like working on that day in and day out, like making sure I put everything down on paper, the processes, going deep and making sure like super simple for anybody to understand. And if you're interested, the link will be in the description box to the ebook. And so, you know, obviously, thank God people enjoyed it. People bought the ebook. And so that made $3,300. And this is my very first digital product that I've ever made. And the traffic obviously came from YouTube. So that's one component of adding to the factor of how much I made in total. The next factor is going to be affiliate marketing. And so I know a lot of people are familiar with affiliate marketing. If you're not, it's just you recommending a product that you already use or you're familiar with, and then being able to share your experience with that. And so with affiliate marketing, I only chose companies that I actually had experience with, and then I talked about those companies. And so the total I made, it's a combination of a few different companies. And so Impact is the website that I use. So the total that I made is $1,275. It says I made other earnings. So total I made was $1,301.84. And then I had like 1,307 clicks, which is like way smaller than like the views. I had over 200,000 views on YouTube in 2022. So that just shows you that even if it's a portion, you can still make money with a small channel. Because my channel, at the end of 2022, I had 8,000 subscribers. This just shows you that even with a small channel, even smaller, like you're still able to make money as long as you're showing value and things like that. I also had accounts with Fiverr, and then which is another affiliate, and then also with other like affiliates, and I also did one-on-ones and then other affiliate accounts. So for that, I made a total of $2,023. It's in my PayPal account, but it has sensitive information, so I'm just not going to show that one. So before I get into the Google AdSense, I want to explain how YouTube pays, how the monetization is broken down, because it really depends on the type of channel that you have. So it's called a niche. And then there's different type of niches. There's like affiliate marketing, make money online. There's like gaming niche. There's like children's entertainment. There's so many types of categories when you create videos on YouTube. So depending on the category you fall in, depends on how much money you're going to be making. So when it comes to how much money you make, you do not make money based on subscribers. So you can literally have a brand new channel. Let's say you get monetized within a month. You can start making good money, you know what I'm saying, based on your niche or what category your channel generally falls under, because you get paid based on the views. So it's called CPM, which means cost per milli, and milli just means per 1,000. And so for every 1,000 views, companies, hence the Google AdSense, they pay Google in order to run ads on the YouTube videos that you make or we make, right? And then let's say the bid is based on my niche, might be like $20 or $15 per 1,000 views. So that means every 1,000 views in my niche, for example, it can fluctuate, but let's say I'll get paid $15 every 1,000 views. So imagine if that video gets 500,000 views or, you know, 200,000 views. So that's how it works. I'm going to link this article down below because it gives you, it also depends on the country that you're in. So United States, Australia, like it can really be broken down. It also depends on like the time of the year, like all of these things really matter. And so these are different. For example, affiliate marketing, they said like the CPM can be between $14 to $25. But from my experience, I feel like it can go higher than that. Like I said, depending on the year, I've seen it where at sometimes my CPM was like $46 or $65. It really just depends on, you know, different factors, but to give you a general idea. Another example is going to be like make money online. The CPM range is from $13 to $22, but this is not like anything set in stone. So I'm going to link this article down below. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my back office. This is my YouTube studio, and then I clicked on revenue, and then I wanted to show you guys how much I made. So for the entire year of 2022, I made $5,743.81. I still can't believe that. That's actually insane to me, but this is just based on YouTube. And so as you can see, majority of the money was made towards the end of the year. I had one video that did like 100,000, like well 99,000, almost 100,000 views. I was getting, you know, paid more money per day, right, based on the views that were coming in for that particular video. So the grand total that I made after I put together how much I made on YouTube, like Google AdSense, with all the affiliates, with my one-on-ones, with my digital product, I have a total of $12,000. This is crazy. $12,423. And this is for my first year on YouTube, guys. My first video was released January 13th, 2022. And so I'm a big believer in doing your research before you get started and really planning. Sometimes I feel like I could take myself too seriously, and I feel like I wasn't having enough fun with this. So I feel like I'm at the point where I'm like, okay, girl, relax a little bit. Like, it's all gonna come together. Like, you have the brains for it, and really just have fun with it. So I'm at the place where I want to have fun with it. So my word to you today is to have fun with it. Just do it. Just start. You have to be okay with feeling stupid because Lord knows, Lord knows, I was feeling very foolish in the beginning. And I mean, even today, like, I still really don't know what I'm doing. I really don't know what I'm doing. But I feel like I'm figuring it out, and I'm on the journey. And like I said, today something just clicked, and it was just like, have fun. Like, a lot of times the biggest blessings, the biggest things come from, you know, where your heart posture is. And if your heart posture is like, I just want to have a good time, I just want to have fun, you know, gold is coming from there, because you're literally just, you're only there to have a good time, right? And so I am excited to have shown you guys this. Let me know whatever questions you have. Also, I do have videos on how I was able to reach my 1,000 subscribers in 76 days. Make sure you subscribe. I'm going to be talking more about my journey, sharing with you guys the step-by-step. So if you're interested in learning more about how I've been able to grow my channel within 1 year, how I've been able to do this, and, you know, continue on the journey with me, then make sure that you go ahead and subscribe. I'm so excited to be on this journey with you guys. Guys, leave this video and go start today. Go do whatever you have to do. Let me know what you guys need, what you guys are interested in the comments down below. And I am here for you guys. So let me know what you guys want. And I'm so excited, and I'm wishing you guys the best of luck, blessings, favor, and abundance in your businesses, in your lives, and your YouTube channels. And I will talk to you guys later. Take care. Bye-bye.